Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be cleaning, deep cleaning my car because my car is a mess. I have had my car for a couple years and I never ever used to I used to never let it get super messy. I used to take care of it, wash her, go to car washes, clean her, keep her nice and tidy. Not gonna lie, as the years progressed, I started to not like my car because there's always something going on, you know. I think now I'm very happy with my car. She works fine. Obviously, I love her. But, you know, I feel bad because I used to talk bad about my car at times and she gets me from point A to point B safely. That time is done. I'm going back to how I used to treat my car with love because I love her. She gets me where I need to be. And right now, I did buy a bunch of stuff because I want to deep clean her because she's messy. So you're going to see me deep clean my car. Sorry for talking too much. You're going to see me deep clean my car and we're going to try and do this because it looks like it's going to rain.
Okay, you have this one, I feel like.
Trash everywhere, Ellie.
I have to clean the car.
It's actually really messy.
You can play with them. Like pretend you're... Oh, I don't do that.
Who left cookies here?
Daddy.
There's probably more junk under here. Yeah. The back isn't too bad.
Oh. There's these little things. I don't know if I should throw them away or not.
Oh, this is from last time.
What are these?
Trash. I have a lot of water bottles. Disgusting. I have a hair tie. Paper, another hair tie. The penguin. The carpets do a good job of keeping it clean. Oh, but my car is disgusting.
Angel wants to go in your car, didn't look.
Oh. The baby. What I'm working with, detail brushes, these rags that we always have at home. Father always has rags. What are you gonna watch? I got the waterless wash and wax, interior detailer cleaner, supreme shine
I'm leaving.
protectant, and soapy water.
Hi, Angel. Yeah, what would you do if I spiked at your car?
You know it's business time when your hair is up because I'm about to be scrubbing my car, cleaning, and everything. So, first off, get the trash out. Boom, we're gonna see that. I'm also gonna try and like tug my dash cam. I have a dash camera. By the way, y'all need to invest in one. If you guys drive, I highly recommend this one. I'll link it down below. Got it from Amazon. I got this also from Amazon. I don't think I've ever showed y'all this. I got this from Amazon. It works really nicely. It has 2 of the cigarette lighters and 2 USBs. So, and I'm gonna keep that like that. That way I have enough space here for drinks. And then I plug in my camera. And keep it like that. But I want to tug this away somewhere so it's not like messy. Like down here, like the cables are hanging. Look at all this mess. I gotta take care. Now, this is my sister's. I don't know why this. I don't know who this is. This. Oh, my sister gave me this. I love it. It's a charger. It has like all the ports. Someone ate cookies in my car and that wasn't me. All this junk I gotta get out. I'm using a wet rag with water. This collects the dust. I saw
No
it.
way.
Yeah, it collects the dust. See? Because my car is super dusty. Record like up here. Like make sure. See?
Nasty.
I know.
Just kidding, guys. It's because it's spring. All the pollen.
There's a lot of pollen, yeah. And this is just like something quick to pick up all like the dust. The car is disgusting. And then it's gonna show it on this side. See? Now it's black. And it's gonna go through here.
You got the detailing brushes, right?
Yeah, I did.
We bought some new ones from Auto Parts.
Auto, yeah. And then here you have to be careful so that you don't like, because if you use like an aggressive cleaner, these end up disappearing. So you have to use, yeah. That's why my other side, I kind of started doing that. It was like fading. Okay. But that's why you have to just do it carefully. And just swipe it. Same with your dash up here. You just have to like press on it lightly.
My arm is itching.
And there. And I need to take my steering wheel cover off to clean it too. It's a hassle though, because it was a hassle putting it on.
It's a hassle, guys.
Well, it's easier to take it off. And also, do you see how it's supposed to be like a dark gray?
Yeah.
Once it looks faded, I saw a video. He said it's just like dirt. You're supposed to just scrub it. Well, you can do it with a little soap. Spray there a little. It's just like oils from what, like when I wear lotion or whatever, my hands. Just scrub it there.
Oh, that's what my dad does with his car.
Yeah.
It turns back to like black. You know his steering wheel, right? And it looks like
Yeah.
nice and shiny. It looks like the best one. I got spit on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cleaner. What would you do if your car just went back right now?
Just let it go back.
I cry because that's my truck behind. Yep, get into it. Take the race off. It's currently raining.
Or on the screen, you can do either. Going to a car wash. Beep, 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 beep. Does it take cash?
Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Shove it nice. Oh, we're gonna straight to business. This is a scam. My whole roof is dry and it's freaking dirty.
Oh, you really want to put that in.
Wait. Nasty. How did this happen? It's dirty.
Should I take out your car keys and stuff?
Yeah. How is this dry?
Because we're driving.
No, this didn't get cleaned. Didn't look, está seco. This didn't wash. This is what the viewers want. We'll wait for the recording. Soapy water. Drying it up. Disgusting.
Gusto may cerveza popsicle.
The before. Disgusting. Look, y'all, this little places like this bother me. Like, you see that? Like here, it was full of dirt, but I sprayed the soapy water and used the microfiber cloth and cleaned it. Right there, it's bothering me. You see all that? Bothering me. Right there, like this panel, bothering me. Right there. Oh, focus. Bothering me, like this right here. See? All this here bothering me. So this is gonna be using a toothbrush and some cotton swabs. And look, this is what I was doing. I sprayed it here Wait, I sprayed it there. See? Right there, it's moist. And to agitate the dirt, I'm gonna use a toothbrush. Get that out. See? And clean this little piece out. I am no detailer, but so I'm gonna be using this detailing brush, and I'm gonna be soaking it with my cleaner like in there, and I'm gonna be cleaning my whole dashboard, like really like get it in there like that. Ooh. And I'm not gonna show this, but I'm gonna go pretty fast, scrub it in there, and like be really detailed. And I'm gonna let it be there for a little, and then I'm gonna buff it in with like one of the microfiber cloths that I have. Just really clean my whole dash. And finally showing my car some love. Recording. Action. I think it records better when I'm zoomed out. Plus it's getting dark. She had me at 31. That's like the cut. Can I zoom in? Yeah. Look, y'all. See, you know that waterless wax I bought? I'm gonna use it to clean this right here. Like this dirt all in there, and that glossy protectant. I'm gonna use it for this to like make it look nice. You see all that pollen? I have a lot of pollen on my car. But yeah, I'm gonna use it to clean all this. And right now, I just added it with the brush, the Super Shine one with the high gloss protectant, non-greasy. I just added this, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then buff it in. I did this half because I didn't have time to do the whole thing, so I just split it in half. Yeah, that's what I did. It looks really messy, but I try to like do it evenly all over the place with the brush. So yeah. That's what these varas. These are their clothes. Are you recording? Yes. It's actually a lot of work.
Ask him, like, I know that.
I'm not saying nothing to you, but you don't know how to read situations or people. That my car is officially clean. It looks shiny. Props to the detailers, because detailing a car is a lot of work. And I'm gonna be putting in this, not the watermelon scents. Pull tab to activate air freshener. Clip the product to the car air conditioner vent. Hey y'all, so that concludes the video. Detailing a car is so hard, and they deserve every penny they get because, not gonna lie, I got kind of lazy because it's a lot of scrubbing and buffing in, but I did finish it. I have a lot of nosy neighbors, and I hate when people stare at me, like, anyways, but yeah, I have, like, one door panel to do, like, scrub it in, and, like, the waterless wax. I have a lot of pollen around my car, like, embedded in there, like, from, like, years ago, like, when I first got my car. So yeah, I feel like I just need a pressure wash of some parts of my car, like, for all that old grime and dirt to get out. Because that waterless wax, it's like working, but it's like I need like something hard to like scrub it off, you know. Like the brush isn't doing. I probably need a toothbrush. I don't know what I need, but yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.